He trusted them. His friends. His brothers. The people he shared dreams with. They ate together. They laughed together. He never imagined they would be the ones to destroy him. One night, everything changed. Lies were whispered. Truth was twisted. The same hands that lifted him up, pushed him down. He was accused. Abandoned. Left with nothing but shame. They mocked him. They said he was finished. Even his own people turned their backs. But what they didn't know was that pain was about to remake him. While they celebrated his fall, he was rebuilding in silence. Every tear became discipline. Every insult became fuel. He trained. He learned. He endured. Years later, he returned, not to beg, not to explain, but to stand tall, stronger, wiser, untouchable. The same people who betrayed him now whispered his name with fear. Betrayal didn't break him. It revealed him. Sometimes, losing everything is how you discover who you really are.